Have you ever wanted to create a website, but unfortunately you don't really have budget for it? Well, in this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can create a website for free using Google Site. And as we know that Google has a very great establishment, they've really created a credibility over time whereby this website that you've created or that you'll be creating with them is known all over the world, and they themselves also they recognize it as one of those websites that can be indexed on the search engine. So you have anything to worry about using this method, and at the end of the day you are going to be creating something like this or even way better. I'm going to be showing you. Look at this beautiful website as it is. As you can see, very beautiful. You'll be able to create something beautiful like this, and as you can see, it has all the features that is needed. So the only thing I just need from you is just to watch this video to the end, as this is going to be showing you how to do this step by step. Make sure you watch it to the end, and you can see each of these has what's it called, has navigation bar that leads to every other part of the website. So this is a full-fledged website and it is purely free, guys. How are you going to do this? Let's get started in this video. The first thing you need to do is actually go to Google and go to Google and type Google Sites. I'm just going to do that right now. Google Sites. So it's going to lead me to this place, and I will click on this, and I'm going to be having all of this. So these are some of the websites that I've actually created, and some of them include the pre-load template that we have there. So you can choose any of those templates. You can decide to choose template and do whatever it is you want to do with it. But let us assume we want to actually build from scratch. So if you're building from scratch, this is how we're going to do it. This is what is going to happen, and you can insert anything you want to do. So let us do with this first. And what do we need to do here first? So first, I would want to actually change my theme. So but before that, I will come to this theme page, whereby that's the place I'm actually going to change my theme, and I will click on this. If you have a custom theme, you can actually upload or you can import theme there, but I will advise you actually go with Google custom theme. So I will pick Diplomat, and this is going to change every of the narrative that I want, and I can actually tweak the color here. I can tweak it to be like this, tweak it to be like this, and depending on what I really want as a person, but really I will just stick with this. So the next thing I just need to do right now is that. So I will add my issue. Let's say we want to build a website concerning me. I'll just write policy code. So I'll be policy code really now. So I will just have this, and then that is going to be that. I don't really need much then else. So I can just come here, then fill in some certain set of informations, like some great things, So I will just simply use, so this can be probably let's say. Now first off, I might want to actually change this font, because as you can see here, the font that is written here is different from what is there. So it is actually advisable you have like two fonts on your website. You know what I'm saying? So one thing you just need to do is to come to this place whereby you have Open Science and all, where this is where the toolkit on what to do with your test is going to be displayed. So I would have this. I would rather have bold play fed display, and let's continue. And then what do we need to do? I'm just going to type tag. Okay, sorry, don't mind spelling over tag. Tag AI innovation and say innovation, say finance. So this is basically what our channel is all about. So I will just click this and have it aligned, then increase the font size to be probably 14, and I think increase it a little bit more, where I say 18 now. Okay, let me pull this to be 18. Yeah, so this is it. So I'm done with the first part, and don't forget that this is what we call the hero section of every website. So what do I need to do right here is for me to actually enter the logo. But if you want to enter a logo, make sure you already have your logo there. Then you click on add logo, and it's going to go to any part of your website or your system, either a favicon or logo or whatever it is that you want. So just either the brand images or whatever it is you really need, you can put anything you really want here. So if I click on upload, it's going to really upload the logo for me, but I don't really want that. So for now, let us just focus on building. So the next thing we need to do is to actually change this background. I get what I'm trying to say, this particular background. So I'm going to change it. I'll click on upload. I don't really like the way the background is, so I'm clicking on upload, click on image, and I'm going to put it to what I really want. So the image has changed, as you can see, and I have policy code, tech, here, innovation, and finance. So this is basically it. So I want my header to be a little bit big, so I'll just click on here and I will click on cover. So here I have a more huge space to work with. As you can see, it's really looking good. It's looking good. Then what else can we do here? We can have the name, either the name of the website, or let me just write pause here. Let me write pause here for now. Let me just write pause here for now. So as time goes on, we're going to impute, we can impute the logo, but normally your logo ought to be here, either a logo or a text, depending on what you really want anyway. So I would have that. So and then look, I'm going to teach you, maybe in a video I might actually show you how some of these videos. So after that, I think we are done with this, or probably you might want to actually insert some things. For example, Honda, when you're here, you might want to insert some other things, probably your favicon, your images, and everything. So you might want to insert them here. Whatever it is you really want to do, just play around with it. Okay, let your imagination run wide here. So the next thing we need to do is actually to move to the next thing. And how do we do that? We'll insert a block. So I'll come to this place, whatever kind of blocks I really want, I'll come to this place, then I'll click here. So on this place is going to be probably what I really want to insert here. So this, if you're building a portfolio website, this might actually be a place whereby you can insert whatever it is you want or whatever it is that you're doing there. So really here I would probably pick something. I'll pick something like this. I will upload. Okay, let me go to a very pretty website where I normally get all my pictures from. So innovation. So I want to actually talk about something that is related to what I'm doing. You understand? So, or probably I will just click on AI and just say AI, artificial intelligence. So I'll pick this, or maybe I think this one will really sit well with me. So the name of the website, if you are wondering, is actually pexel.com. So I will leave the site in the description below. So I'll come back to this place, upload. I'll click on upload, and probably it's going to take me to the file system, and also I'll insert the image I want to, and then I'll just click on probably if I'm building a blog, this is going to be latest. It's going to be latest AI innovation. So we are going to create this. So I'll just be like, okay, let's have this. How? Then this, don't worry, change it to play file than normal. Just change it to play file, and you how to blah 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 blah. So whatever. So I'm not intentionally building this. So whatever it is you really want to, so you can decide to actually change the background here. So here I can click on color section and I'll click on this. You see, it's really great though. So whatever it is I want to do, I can do whatever it is I want. I can decide to put an image there, or I can just have something like this, really great. So the next one, then if I want something else, I can click on this content block is where you could have every of those things. So you can decide to have an image carousel here. If I decide to have an image carousel, I just need to really, if I want to have a button, I will click on it also. So every of these things that I needed here is already stated here, so you get what I'm saying. So you can continue to build every of those things. If you even have a sheet, you want to put a document or whatever it is, even if it's a chart, is already here. Do you understand, guys? So let's just say innovations and all. So, and if I'm done, if you really want to continue to build this, you can continue to build this to the fullest maximums, guys. Do you understand? So the only thing is just let your imagination run wild. These are the content block and these are what you just need to do. If you want more, just pick. Okay, if I want this, I can easily just pick some and have it here. I paste whatever it is I want to do, and if I want a spacer or a social link, I can have all the links here. Let's say hashes. Let me just put and hash a placeholder hash Instagram. Let me just say Facebook or something. And also here also I can just put hash something there too. Hash something. So all of these, though, as you can see, saying invalid, so it has to be the original link there. Let's say facebook.com and all. So here also I don't need to have everything, so I can just have it. If it is only one I want, I can have it inserted. You get, so I will have it inserted. You can see this is a favicon, very great. In early days, all of these are not there. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So you can have every of those things lined up, either your Facebook, your site where you want people to go, either your YouTube. Do you have if you have a placeholder you want people to have, you can have it here. If you want a divider, you can put a divider. If you want a button, I can call the button, click here. Okay, all right, let's do something. Let's assume I want people to go from here to part of my button. I want to show you something here now. Let's assume I want a button here or any part here. I will just come down to this place and click on button. Then I'll give you the, say, blah 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 blah. Okay, just say possible there. So, and I will say anything. I don't know, I'm not making it insertable anyway. So what I just need to do is just to take this and have it inserted here, wherever. Do you understand? So I can decide to, sorry there. So I can have it edited. You understand? Whatever it is you want it to do, you can have it edited, you can have it outlined. Do you understand? Can you see? So that it's going to actually blend with what I'm doing. I can decide to change the font also. Whatever it is you want to do, just let your imagination run wide and you are going to be fine. So another thing that I think that we might actually need to do is, how can we actually have navigation menu here? Of course, you know that every website has a navigation menu. Do you understand what I'm saying? So every website has a navigation menu. As beautiful as a website is, except even if we want to really make it a one-page website, we can still do it here also. But let us try and add, or let's just simply add a navigation menu to this particular website and see. So how do we do this? You come to this insert pages theme side. So what you just need to click is to click on pages. On pages, you're going to be seeing something else. Then you click on this plus button. So on the plus button, you won't click on new menu selection, full embedded. Just click on new page. All right. So when you click on new page, you name the name of it. Let's say this is going to be our what? Our service. Do you understand our service? Oh, sorry, then I didn't spell that right. So this is going to be our service. Then we'll click on it, and this is going to be it. And as you can see, our service is already here, and it's already created another page that is different from what we had before. So what do we need to do? I think we can still create more. Let's say Hippo horse. I think, yeah, that also is already created there instantaneously. And also, what else do we have? I think contact page, contact us. So from here we have this also, and that's also created. And the best part of it is that you can edit each of these page individually. So I can come to our service and have it edited. I can change the style. I can change the style by saying header type. I can put it to just normal title only, whatever it is I want. I can put it to be banner. All right, so just showing what I really want. So, and if you want text here, you can have it too. So I can have it to be probably a large banner or a covered as a text. Then you can continue to build what you really want. So if you want text box, just ordinary text, then you can have all of your text here. Just click on text box and you're going to have every text, then you have it there, and that's all. And the same thing also goes if you really want to do it for your home page also. Let's assume on this home page you also want to make some tests before you have this, and then you can just click on text box, and on text box you can have whatever it is that is needed for you to have, just like what I said. And the best part of it is that you can change the you can change the background of wherever you're writing. I can leave it as this and change whatever it is. And if you want to delete, just hover on that section and you delete. Okay, and if you want to duplicate, just hover on the section, these three toggle here, you only need to actually click this is duplicate session, which make it to duplicate the session, and this is delete session, which also make it to delete the session, and this is going to be color section, whereby you're going to change the background, the style and all like that. So whatever it is you want is really needed here. You can decide to just build three sections, one word, and then one footer. So the header, the body, the footer, you can put it like that. Whatever it is you want to build in between is left to you. I believe I'm making sense. All right there. So what you just need to do, so if you want to do every one of these in every of the sections that we have, you can do that really. As you can see, whatever it is you change here does not change the home page, because home page is the principal controller of every other page. Okay, so whatever you do to the home page, whatever you do on the individual page does not change what is on the home page. Do you understand? So that is just what we're going to be doing, and that is what we've just did. I believe I'm making sense. So if you have a product and you or quickly need something you can use on Facebook and you as a landing page, so this could actually be of help for you. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to like. And before I continue there, please you can decide to publish this. Okay, let us publish this. I only need to click on this and it's going to be published. Okay, so you see, I got it. So it's showing me every of those things because I published this before, but I'll still publish it again. So I'll click on publish and every of these things that I need there will be published already. So and then I'll come to this place, this top bar where I have this chain linked together. I just need to click on it. So when I click on it, I'm going to be having something like this, and then I just need to do something. So I wouldn't want us to open this same thing here, so as to let's just open it on a fresh window. So we're going to be using incognito for this purpose. So we'll click on this and whoa, see, as you can see, this is it. All right, so this is a website. We can go to any part of the website and we're going to be fine. Do you understand? We can go to any part of the website and we're going to be fine. As you can see, we're going to be fine. we are going to be fine, right? So every part of the website is there, and this. You can change whatever it is you want to change. The limitation of this website is highly dependent on what you can do. If I've given you what's it called, value, don't hesitate to drop a like, drop a share, and drop a comment. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, guys.